Munchkin world. I'm Maria and this is the Munchkin. She is a butterfly today because we are super excited to share with you guys our Magic Mixies Mixlings. So we are going to unbox. She's being very silly. Okay. We are going to unbox and get to mix our own potion and create, what are we going to create?
A mixie.
A mixie? But it's not a mixie. What does it say?
Alright.
We're going to create our own mixling. So inside here, we already have a couple. We have Pinky, we have Raina Bobo, we have Maya. I know, and we have Pupple. And it looks like we have one Luckling, which is Otis, but we don't know what he looks like.
This one belongs to this one. This one belongs to this one. This one, I guess, belongs to this one, and this one belongs to this one. And the Otis comes with his very red.
Yes, so we are going to open these and check them out a little bit closer. Yes, we have our scissors, but make sure you have an adult present with you before you operate these. Okay, so let's check it out. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this. All right, let's see what we got. All right, let's open our Magic Mixies Mixlings. Ooh, let's see what's in there.
Oh, yay! Yes.
So we have, oh no, how do we get them out?
Don't worry, it's easy. I can get them out. One. Take poop puppa.
So we've got this little cutie.
I love it.
Oh, and these little wings go inside like this.
If you drop it, I guess.
And then we have this that belongs with it. Okay. What about everybody else? Can you get these two out?
I can't.
No, let's see what else you got out. You got this cute little foxy thing. Alright, we've got this little cutie pie. That looks like it's just laying down. And this one.
Sorry. Oh.
Alright, so then what else do we have?
Wait,
we
this here then has hair.
What is this?
A glowy form.
A glowy, okay. We've got these little guys. So these are our 4 mixlings. And the little magical wands, right? And then we have...
And this for the glower, a lantern. And this for the charm.
Okay. Then we have this little mini cauldron. So we have to... Oops.
With 2 ingredients.
We have to add ingredients and water.
Just
okay.
2.
All right, so we have our ingredients that we're going to put in this cauldron. So first we're going to...
Put the magical powder.
If it wants to come out. All right, now we have our powder in there and now the water goes in. Let's see. Whoa! How
So we
cool
don't
is
know
that?
what's coming out. We don't know what's coming out yet.
Look at the water. It disappeared.
Yeah.
Ooh, I see a little question mark.
Ew. Can you please get that off for me? It's disgusting and gross.
Ooh, let's see what's in there. All right, so inside was this cute little bear-looking thing.
Yeah. Can I try?
Yep, so
What happened?
So what happens when you...
This happened, you see?
Oh, I didn't see it. Do it again. Oh, do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Aww. It's a little rainbow that comes out. That's cute. Now, what do the other ones do to the animals?
So,
or to the mixlings?
let me just close this. There's only two that can be active. One is just glowing. So here, its hair comes out.
Oh.
And this is how it was before.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. And what about the other one?
The blue one.
Oh, the little wings come out.
Fly.
What about this little one?
It does nothing. You only just use wing. You just let it glow.
But if you just hold it, nothing happens?
No. It just comes with this glower.
Oh, okay.
It's
so only 3 of them, something happens, right?
Yeah, with this one, and you guys, this changes color because this fills up with water.
Oh.
We can try it inside the cauldron.
Okay.
So we can do this and then do that.
Gotcha. All right, so what do we have here? So these are the little mixlings that were in there. So here we have Maya. Then we have Raina Boo. Then here we have Pupple. Here we have Pinky. And this is finally Otis. These are our 5 mixlings that came out of this cool set. So thank you for unboxing everything with us. Hopefully you had as much fun as we did, and we are about to go play with them.
Yes, but if you fill this up with water, pour it on here, and this will change color, and I think it will change rainbow.
Ooh, fun.
Because this is rainbow. This is kind of like rainbow. This is rainbow because I think that is rainbow. Rainbow hair and gives rainbow. So everything is rainbow.
Cool. Well, we definitely enjoyed the experience. Hopefully you did too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
U-N-C-H